I made this bottle opener because I still can't forge weld. Hey YouTube, it's getting late in the day. I've been out here for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours, just mucking about with the fire. It's burning. Tried my hand at forge welding 3 more times. Had 3 fails. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I really just am not. I just don't know. I'm starting to suspect the fuel, and what I may do is I may load up. I do have some coal, some bituminous coal, but I don't know. Anyway, what are we doing today? It's a good question. It's another thing I've been sitting out here doing is I don't know what I want to do today. Yesterday we finished up the new bending jig, the little hook jig. I don't want to make a hook. I'm not in the mood. Just don't want to do it. So I'm not sure what I want to make. Maybe we'll be lazy. Maybe we'll just make a bottle opener. Nah, I don't want to make a bottle opener. There, light it up. Some of you may remember that flux spoon that we made the other day. The wife stole it. I don't know what she's going to do with it. She doesn't use flux. Let's try it. All right, before I try and tear this apart, I'm going to give you an opportunity to place your bets to see if it's actually welded or not. That's one side. Let me see if I can flip it without dropping it. There we go. And that's the other side. It doesn't look like at the very tip, it looks like there's a little bit of a gap. It's hard for me to tell. Yeah, let's see if it tears open. Yeah. Well, at least I'm consistent. All right, one more. I just got to wondering if maybe it was the steel itself. Maybe it was just that piece. This one still looks like it's got to get. This is a piece of 1/2 inch square instead of 3/8. Still has that little gap looking right there. It does not look attached. It does not look attached at all to me, but let's try it and find out. Nope, not even close. They're all failing the exact same way, so it's not the fuel. So I'm wrong there. Cheese and crackers. I don't know. Let's just make something simple tonight. Alright YouTube, we're just going to make a bottle opener tonight because I can't forge weld. So we're starting here with about 3.5 inches of 1/4 inch by 1 flat bar. I've just hot cut it, and we're going to poke it in the fire and get the end hot, punch a hole, drift it out, make it bigger, shape it, stamp it. Bottle opener. Alright, whatever. There it is. All right, that's it. It is not perfect. You can see where I messed up my lines, and it's not symmetric, and it's a little goofy, but nothing's working out for me today. And what I think will be interesting is to see my progress. I've made several bottle openers, and this one shouldn't have been as difficult as it was, but nothing's working out for me today. But it will be interesting at the end of the year, if I can keep this up, to see how I've progressed, you know, from this, which is not bad. I mean, it's nothing to be ashamed of, but I want to see how much better I am after a year of coming out here every day and doing something. So, if you like the video, give it a like and a hug and a kiss, and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. Leave a comment. We're going to learn this forge welding thing, even if it kills me. So, till next time, bye. Oh, just nothing working.